Hello, Mary Poppins. How are you, darling? Here, my Poppins. Here, Mary Poppins. Come on, precious. Come on, precious. Here, my Poppins. Here, my Poppins. Here, precious. Here, precious. Oh, you're looking very ragged. There you are. Here are precious Poppins. Oh, go away, Cocky. No, go away. It's not yours. It's not yours. Here you are. Here, Mary Poppins. Here, Mary Poppins. Come on. Come on, Mary Poppins. I know, darling. I know, you got big bullies here. Here you are. Here you are. Come on. Come on, darling. Mummy's holding it for you. Here you are. Here you are, precious. Come, Mary Poppins. Come on, Mary Poppins. No, not you. Not you. Not you. No, not you. Not you, Cockalock. No. Had enough of you. This is Mary Poppins. Come on, Mary Poppins. Come on, Mary Poppins. Come on. Come on, Mary Poppins. Come on, precious. There you are. There's good bird. There's good bird. Don't worry. You stay close to Mummy. You're looking very ragged. You're molting, darling. I'm watching you, Cocky. You touch my arm and I'll kill you. This is Mary Poppins' turn. This is my precious Poppins. Hello, darling. Yes, you're molting. You stick close to Mummy. Those cockalocks have had their turn. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry, they're up there. You sit here. Don't worry, they won't get you. They won't take your food. My beautiful Poppins. Big bullies. Big white bullies. Not going to chase away my Mary Poppins. It's alright, darling. It's alright. It's alright, Mary Poppins. It's alright, precious. Don't worry. He's up there. He's up there. He won't touch you. He won't come down here because he knows he's not going to get anything from me. They've already been fed and they don't come on my hand. So they know that. My hand is reserved for you and the kings and the doves, but definitely not cockies with big beaks. Although yours is bad enough. Hello, beautiful Poppins. Hello, darling. Yes. Mummy's always got a little bowl of something for you. Precious bird. Oh, there you go. Thanks, Cocky. Oh, well, that's it. No, you're not getting this, Cockalock. You're not getting it? Sorry, you're not getting it. Goodbye.